Oh, it's been brilliant.
So the atmosphere's been really enthusiastic.
It's really nice to see so many students come and ask questions, be really keen, really confident. Everyone is quite excited to meet the employers.
I think just coming to an event like this helps you get that face-to-face experience with a person.
We can gain insight which would help us in our second years when it comes to summer internships.
Sometimes there's some questions that seem very informal that you're not able to ask. You can come here physically and actually speak to loads of people and learn one or two things.
You will feel better then about the graduation process and what to expect in the future.
I think the University of South Wales did an amazing job with supporting the students with their career fairs and jobs and everything.
It's a difficult transition when you leave university. Understanding a little bit how graduate schemes work and the kind of opportunities that you can have is really important.
Advice I'd give is to kind of network, get your face out there, get introduced to people, build those connections for the future.
I think it's very important and it's a very good opportunity that should not be missed.